mission, which is nagawa namin. Dapat nung birthday ko last year, ng November, pero mas napaaga siya. May pa lang nagbaba kami ng medical mission. So yung reach sa tao, na alam mong kailangan na kailangan nila ng tulong, parang yun yung nakakapag, move pa rin para sa amin na to move forward, to keep going what we're doing.
Ang swerte naman, magpo-focus na sa Pasig yung ginagawa niyo nationwide.
Yes po.
AJ, follow-up lang kay Sarah. Kasi kilala na namin si Ara. Actually, pagiging public servant niya, ginagawa niya ito kahit wala siya sa politika. One classic example niya dito, ang pagtulong niya sa veteran actress na si Deborah Su, na pati yung bahay niya, yung condo niya, pinatitiran niya doon, nagbibigay ng groceries and iba pa. So marami na yung ginagawa, marami na yung tinutulungan. Ngayon ka lang namin nakilala, Sarah. So, we know for a fact that you are a very, very successful businesswoman. Can you give us a little background about yourself, more, para makilala ka namin?
Okay, so, I am Cesara Rowena Vizcaya, or fondly known as Ate Sara. I grew up in the United Kingdom. Yes, I grew up in the United Kingdom. I studied there until I was third year high school. Then my parents, dito na kami pinaaral sa Philippines so we could adapt to Filipino culture. And doon pa lang, bata pa lang ako, every Christmas, namimigay kami sa mga less fortunate than us. Kasi kahit middle class kami, syempre parang pasasalamat sa blessings for the whole year ng magulang ko, which I have carried through nung nag-asawa na ako. Kasi ang bili ng daddy ko, kumita ka, kahit konti, matuto ka mag-share. And wala namang mawawala sa amin. Actually, yung napansin namin, kung nag-share kami, mas malaki yung bumabalik sa amin. So, yun, we just continued what my parents started. No? Contractor din daddy ko. Lihiti mo akong taga-Pasig, Bangbang, etong barangay na to. Father ko was a former kagawad noong 1970s. So, tatlo kami magkakapatid. I was the only sibling na bumalik dito sa Bangbang. Kasi doon kami sa ibang barangay ng Pasig. So, ako bumalik talaga dito sa Bangbang. Mahal ko ang Pasig. Kasi pwede, sa totoo lang, pwede na kami mag-settle sa ibang lugar. Pero dito na pinanganak yung tatlo kong anak. Kasi yung panganay ko, siya yung namesake nung St. Gerard. So, yung St. Gerard, pangalan ng panganay kong anak. He was born in the UK also. So, yun, that's just a little something about myself.
Self-made woman din pala to, Tita Asta.
No, congratulations. Sinabi mo you grew up, nag-aaral ka part of your UK. Hindi ka pa British,
nanghahanap ka ng accent,
resident, kasi magiging question kasi yun eh.
Actually, I still have my British accent. I can still speak in my tongue language, which I grew up with. Pero I am recognized Filipino, so all the privileges of one Filipino, I have the same privilege. Kaya I am allowed to run for any public position.
With that, thank you so much and congratulations to you pala.
Thank you, Tita Asta. You always ask the best questions. I love you. Here's another question. Another friend. She's a finalist in the Star Awards for Television. Best Female TV Host of Marites University, Rose Garcia.